You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense, till FlexVolt, a new line of DeWalt cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools, and our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that delivers the equivalent of 13 amps, maintaining speed through applications, along with perform and protect features you expect from DeWalt, like a kickback brake which slows the wheel when a pinch is detected. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DeWalt 20-volt max tools, all part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created. FlexVolt, power of corded, freedom of cordless. Built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.